Where do I go?
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun.
Okay, this way. Cool. I don't know this corner. Dear Ghostplane, please do not end your song. Wow, that's a big house. Holy crap. Why is that necessary? You can fit like 7 families in there. That's not necessary. That's a castle. Wait, I've been on this road before. What is that? Oh, I'm so confused and so intrigued. How you got a massive playground? What is it? Woo! 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 Oh, look at that guy. It's not Christmas anymore. Take it down. Oh, if I had my dirt bike, that'd be a sick jump. Nah. All right, it's been way too long. I need adrenaline. That's cool. Wait, can I go there? Wait, that's dope. Should I do it? Should I do it? Yeah, we're gonna do it. Wait, I don't know, man. Nah, I want to keep riding. Anyway, where I was going with this. Jeez, I get so sidetracked so quick. That's right. Jeez, those signs are so big when you like walk up on them. You don't notice it when you're driving. Oh, I know where I'm at. Okay, cool. Oh, I need adrenaline to stay warm. So like, in order for my body to stay warm, I need adrenaline. For me to get adrenaline, I have to go fast or do a wheelie. So I need to go fast. Right about now. Sorry, bud. He's definitely coming after me. Oh, sorry, bud. Didn't mean it. Let's get out of here. I know he saw me stand. Oh, I'm so glad I wasn't going fast. Okay, cops are out, dude. I don't like this. Oh, I should have went to the city. The city, they don't care. They won't even look up off their phones. Like, the city has cops that are just average humans. They're just humans, and then they go to work, and we work a 9 to 5. Jeez, that could have got so bad. I was like, really? Oh, come on, really? You're gonna speed up as I'm passing you? What a... All that for what? Hit the brakes. Bud with a weird Cadillac. Oh, I got a brand new Cadillac. I'm cool. Oh, I'm so glad that cop's not coming after me. You wanna race? You wanna race? You wanna race? Huh? Oh, we got it. Okay. I got a smile out of someone. Let's go. He broke his neck mad hard. We're going left, baby. Ah! Bye, friends. No cops behind me, right? Yeah, I think. Yeah. Okay, now we gotta go for the fist bump. That's why I'm going like into like all the stop signs. I mean, not all the stoplights. What are you staring at, bud? You never seen a superhero on the street? What are you guys staring at? Thanks. See, Icon? Shout out to Icon. You guys are getting looks on this. The suit, it's working. Why did she stopped so far back? She's like 25 feet behind me. I love bikes, man, and everything that comes with it. Everything. But again, shout out to Icon, because clearly the suit's working. It's either the bike or me, but I think it's me. I look fine as heck right now. You know what I mean? Jeez, I wish I would have had this suit for prom. I would have walked in there and shut everything down. All right, time to go. Got a blast, bud. Guys, I hope you guys are having a great day, honestly, because I am. Honestly, I just had something really bad happen to me, and it sucks, but at the same time, like, it's not going to stop me from being happy. It was like, it was in my control, but it was out of my control at the same time. Can't change the past, so basically you got to deal with it. And why sit around and pout when you could be happy and still live your life to the fullest? I mean, we're always gonna have problems, guys. Everyone's looking. Dude, it's Icon. They're like, ooh, that thing looks sexy. That's a jacuzzi? Dude, I could go for a jacuzzi right now. He looked away as soon as I looked at him. He was like, oh, I wasn't staring. I have energy. Thank you, monster. Dude, I think I by far make myself laugh more than anyone in the world. Is that normal? I don't know, I don't care. I speak really fast because I'm all hype on energy, and oh wow, look at his windshield. That thing is spiderweb, dude. You should probably get that dealt with, my man. Dude, I'm gonna lose everything in my backpack because I'm gonna be effed one day because I'm gonna have important stuff. That Tesla wants to smoke. I see you on my ass, but I will smoke you. You weigh 5,000 pounds. How do you weigh so heavy and like you're just such a fast car? It makes 0 sense. Electricity. I need a fist bump. We're definitely gonna get a fist bump today. That is the goal. One fist bump. I made someone smile. I made a couple people smile, so we're doing good there. That's another smile, my man. Let's go. Ah! He definitely bought a Tesla because it's fast. Oh, that was a good one, baby. She had a little burp. You ever hear that backfire? Oh, dude, I live for that. I live for it. It's probably not good that it's definitely not good that she's backfiring, but YOLO. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, yeet. Whoop. Yeet. Dude, it's like juking. It's like stiff arm. Somebody's windows gotta be down. Someone's enjoying this day and they're like, wow, it's so nice out. I'm gonna roll my windows down. Oh yeah, oh, there's a biker. He's trying to give me a fist bump. Where you at, dude? I know you're here somewhere on this earth. I will find you and I will fist bump you. It's funny, I'm like not cold, but I'm like shivering. Need more adrenaline now. Whoa. Is that a Corvette up there? Oh, that's a cop. That's a cop. That's a cop. That's a cop. Oh, he wasn't looking. Great, cool, thanks. Why are you going faster? What is the purpose of getting closer to that truck? Do you drive with 2 hands on the steering wheel? I don't. I drive with my feet. Why is the Explorer on my butt? Are you a cop, sir? What? Okay. I looked back at her and she didn't know. I guess she took it offensive. Then I waved and she gave me the little, I'm just wondering why you're riding my trying to get my number. I have the humor of a 2-year-old and I have the brain of a freaking 40-year-old. Why are you looking at me like that? She's in a hurry. Donna, wait, oh, I was so confused. I thought dude was going on a red. Somebody's gonna get this dang thing. Go ahead, mama. Go ahead. Oh, cop, avoid contact. Don't look. Oh, it's getting chilly, baby.
Officer, I got one question for you.
Boy, what are those? I'm actually really intrigued. I don't know what they are. Come on, my dude. I need adrenaline. I'm gonna die. I need adrenaline or I'm gonna freeze from frostbite. That should hold me over for a couple minutes or 10 freaking seconds. Jeez, I'm cold. But we're having a good time. 100% worth it. That cop left. Sweet. Literally, I'm obsessed with the way this bike sounds. Rub-a-dub-dub, Scooby-Doob-doob. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
You always said that you'd always be here. Us being apart was my fear. We're the Romeo and Juliet of this year. We're the Romeo and Juliet of this year. You always said that